I'm Brian.
And I'm Kim.
Thanks.
Brim,
Let's chat.
what do you want to chat about?
You see? I don't know. What do you want to chat about?
Why are you so gassy?
I don't know.
It's a warm day.
Puking that one.
Yum.
Yep.
A little bedtime snack for you.
Yeah. Last night Connor wouldn't let me sleep.
Why not?
He went right in front of me. So he went in between my legs and my legs were spread and it hurt, so I had to go crisscross because I couldn't put my legs anywhere.
So I had to go get Connor off the bed.
Yeah.
Yep, that's how I sleep every night. He's curled up by my feet or small on my back.
Yeah, well that's better than right in between your legs so it hurts.
That's what he does on the couch. We call him the Crotch puppy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.